The cabinet locks come with 12 sets of locks, 2 keys, a few screws, and several extra adhesive strips. Take the installation template and insert the small latch piece into it. Then remove the adhesive seal and stick it on the very edge of the inside of the cabinet. Take the latch piece. The lock is controlled by the moving arm. Turn the lock off by squeezing the spring and attaching the arm. Then remove the adhesive seal, insert the latch into the installation template, and close the door. The lock will stick to the opposite door. Push the lock in for 3 to 5 seconds to make sure it's secure. Leave the adhesive for 24 hours to reach maximum strength. Turn the lock switch on to keep toddlers and pets out of the cabinet. To open the door, use your finger or the included key to press down and release the lock.